Today we're going to work on a little bit of a Moroccan dish called couscous. It is not the couscous that you normally know where you add boiling water, cover it, steam, and it's done. We're using a Mediterranean couscous, which is really, truly actually a pasta. It's made with semolina flour. You can see that the grain is much thicker and rounder, and it requires cooking much like you would pasta. And the color is actually stunningly beautiful. It is perfect accompaniment for salmon, lamb chops, chicken, or just by itself if you want a vegetarian dish. It is absolutely perfect. We are going to transfer it into the classic tagine, which is how you would find this served to you in Morocco. For more details on this recipe and many more, and all the products that we used, go to gourmetwarehouse.ca.